Hello and welcome back to my channel. We're at the Premier Inn at Chessington and I'm going to take you on a quick tour around our room and the hotel, showing you what you can expect if you stay here. The hotel is spread over 2 floors with plenty of free parking and a beef-eater restaurant. It's only a few minutes drive from Chessington World of Adventures. Reception is available 24 hours a day. There's a vending machine with various snacks and drinks. We've booked a family room, and as you can see, it has an interconnecting door to the next room. The headboard has a purple light behind it, which is ideal to use as a nightlight. You have to put your keycard into the reader to get power into the room. There's a full-length open wardrobe with hangers, extra pillows, towels and a hairdryer on the vanity unit. They provide a tea tray with tea and coffee, and you can always ask for more from reception if you need it. They've got plenty of plug sockets for charging all your electricals. There's no smoking or vaping in any of the rooms. There's a good variety of food in the restaurant and the menu changes seasonally. The room is temperature controlled at the touch of a button. The windows have partial opening for safety. They provide gentle hand soap and hair and body gel. And a shower over the bath, which has pretty good water pressure. If you would like to be more eco-friendly, you can reuse your towels and place them on the rail, or if you need them replacing, you put them in the bath. The Beefeater restaurant is just next door. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give it a like. If you want to see more from me in the future, then click the subscribe button right here. And if you want to see more from me right now, why not watch one of my other videos? And don't forget, if you carry on watching, I'll carry on travelling. Bye.